How to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your iPhone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down and you'll have to tap on notifications section. Then you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find WhatsApp. After you have found WhatsApp, you'll have to tap on WhatsApp, and by default, the notifications for WhatsApp will be turned off and you'll have to turn them on. After that, make sure that sounds and badges are turned on and all of these three alerts are turned on: lock screen, notification center, and banners. And after that, you'll have to go back and go on the top, and you'll have to make sure that this count is not selected, because if count will be selected, you'll not be able to filter out notifications for WhatsApp individually. And make sure that stack or list is selected. I prefer selecting stack so that you'll be able to see your notifications by swiping from the top left of your screen like this in a stack. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your iPhone. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.